NFTs are non-fungible tokens, non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a digital ledger. NFTs can be associated with items such as photos, videos, 3D models, audio and other type of digital files as unique items. NFTs use blockchain technology to provide a public proof of ownership. According to the market tracker DapptRadar, from monthly sale volume of $400 million at the start of 2021, the market cap of NFT now stands at more than $13 billion. Growth in NFT market has caught attention from superstar Amitabh Bachchan to legacy auction houses like Sotheby's and Christie's, which also have both launched their own NFT marketplaces to get in on the action. Now let's look at the top marketplace in 2021 when it comes to NFTs. I'll start with OpenSea, and it is a leader in NFT sales. It is the world's largest marketplace for crypto collectibles. OpenSea has all sorts of digital assets available on its platform, and it's free to set up and browse, and extensive offerings also is something that it gives out. It also supports artists and creators and has an easy to use process if you want to mint your own NFT. The marketplace supports more than 150 different payment tokens. The second on our list is Axie Marketplace, and it is online shop for the video game Axie Infinity. Axies are mythical creatures that can be bought and trained and then pitted against each other players on Axies to earn rewards. On Axie Marketplace, players can buy new Axies as well as entire land and other items as NFTs for use within the game. Third is Rarible. It's another large marketplace for all sorts of NFTs similar to OpenSea. All kinds of art, videos, collectibles and music can be bought, sold or created on platform. However, unlike OpenSea, you will need to use Marketplace's own token, Rarible, to buy and sell on the marketplace. Rarible is built on the Ethereum blockchain and it can be used in various ways. The company has partnered with some notable companies like Taco Bell, which has listed art on Rarible, and then Adobe also has partnered with Rarible to help secure NFT artists and creators' works. The next on the list is Foundation.app, and it was designed as a simple, no-frills way to bid on digital art. Sales are made using Ethereum. Since the marketplace's launch in early 2021, it has sold more than $100 million worth of NFTs. Artists are invited to the platform by the Foundation community, and buyers simply need a crypto wallet funded with Ethereum to start making purchases. The fifth on my list is Nifty Gateway, and it has facilitated the sale of some of the most popular digital artists such as Beeple and singer-musician Grimes. It's an art curation platform powered by the crypto exchange Gemini, controlled by the Winklevoss twins. The NFTs known as Nifties are built on Ethereum. Besides being curated platform, Nifty Gateway also hosts any NFTs purchased, meaning the NFTs are not stored in your wallet but are actually stored for you by the Nifty Gateway and Gemini. Nifty purchases and sales also can be made in fiat currencies, for example US dollar, without making a cryptocurrency purchase first. Mintable is also backed by Mark Cuban. Aims to be an open marketplace similar to OpenSea. To participate in buying and selling NFTs on Mintable, you'll need Ethereum. The platform also supports minting of NFTs for creators of all types, of photographers to musicians who want to sell their work as a digital asset. Theta Drop is the next one on the list, and it is a blockchain platform built for the decentralized distribution of video and TV on the internet. It made its debut in 2021. Theta utilizes its own blockchain technology. To participate in the Theta Drop NFT marketplace, you will need to purchase Theta token. Various crypto exchanges such as Binance support Theta, and the tokens and NFTs purchased with them can be stored in a crypto wallet as well as in Theta's own crypto wallet app. The next one on the list is Cardingo, and it's a marketplace for NFTs built on Cardano blockchain, offering a curated designer NFT platform that connects talented artists with Cardano fans worldwide. It has sell option at the full functional marketplace. NFT competition, 5 curated designer, NFT launch, marketing efforts, expand, NFT game launch, Cardingo Smash Club NFTs, token listings on NFT, and Cardano decks and partnerships are all part of Cardingo. Bakery Swap is the first AMM, that is the automated market maker plus NFT exchange on Binance Smart Chain. Various data indicate the rapid growth of Bakery Swap in the DeFi ecosystem. Bakery Swap is cooperating with Anchor Staking to use a ETH, a synthetic derivative asset, to launch new farming pools, including various ETH tokens there. The last one on my list is Melos platform. Now, this is the first community music NFT making platform. Sound is one of our strongest instincts, allowing our instinct to be exposed and recorded. Melos platform allows you to record your internal music flow into traceable, forever registered NFT or blockchain with simple design tool. Melos platform allows you to create your NFT, recreate by yourself or co-create with your fans or partners. Melos NFTs are designed with the unique feature that shows how each NFT is composited, by whom, when and who owned the NFTs in the past. You can go and check out more on these and many more. Value is subjective and determined by factors such as uniqueness and the reputation of the artist who made these NFTs.